so today we have a condenser outside, and it's struggling a little bit today. So it's fairly new, maybe a couple years old. So we're gonna take a look. Oh boy. Oh boy. So think of these fins right here as like a radiator in your car. The air is supposed to go through and cool it off in there. So if these are blocked off, you're gonna have high pressures on your air conditioner, and it's not gonna be able to reject the heat. That's what this condenser does. It's a heat rejection system. So we're gonna clean off all four sides because we have some neglect here, okay? Okay, so all you need is a regular hose nozzle with a jet setting. Just water, and you're good. We're gonna go all the way around, get all this yuck off. Okay, so after you clean all four sides, just put them back on, you're good. All you need is a good water cleaning. That's why they call this annual maintenance. Very important. This will cool your house a lot quicker and get rid of that heat in your house.